Hey fourth graders, welcome to page 133 and 134 in your math book. Okay, so let's get started today. Go to page 133. Remember, I'll remind you for the beginning of the week that when we do our videos, you should not just be watching them. You should be participating in them, which means you have your book, you have your pencil, you're learning them with me. You're looking at the box. If I say to look at the box, you're trying number one. If I say to try number one, etc., etc., etc. Okay? So here we go. Look at what we're learning today. There are two things up here that we already know. 1 quart equals how many pints? Okay, this is a quart. How many pints are inside of here? 2. Okay, we're talking about dry measures. Those are things that are seco, but it's the same thing as liquid measures sometimes, okay? And I don't have any dry measure things that I have a quart right now, so we're gonna look at it with the Windex bottle. How many quarts are in 1 gallon? Here's what a gallon is. How many of these are in one of these? 4, okay, 4. So we should already know those two. If you don't, remember them, okay? Because those are the ones that we are reviewing. Now, these two are the ones that we're learning today. Now, there's a thing called a peck. Everyone say that, peck. Peck has 8 quarts. So it has 8 of these. So it's pretty big, right? It's even bigger than these. It's like 2 of these, okay? So 8 quarts in 1 peck. Say that with me. 1 peck equals 8 quarts. 1 peck equals 8 quarts, okay? And then a bushel is like a big canasta. You can see the picture of it in your book, right? How many pecks are in a bushel? Okay, how many pecks are in a bushel? 4, okay, 4. That's a lot because that's like 32 of these, okay? How many pecks are in a bushel? 4, so say that with me. 1 bushel equals 4 pecks. 1 bushel equals 4 pecks, okay? There we go. So if you look at number 1, I don't need to help you with any of those, but I do want to help you. I do want you to think about something. Look at letter B. Look at letter B. 1 kilogram equals how many grams? 1 kilogram equals how many grams? Well, the other day on page 127, you learned that kilo means how many? 1,000. So a kilogram equals 1,000 grams. I'm going to help you with that so you can learn how to process that, okay? Look at letter F. 1 meter equals how many centimeters? Well, we learned that centi means 1 over 100, but we don't need to put 1 over 100. We just need to put 100, okay? Because it's 100 centimeters that make up a meter. Okay, 100 centimeters that make up a meter. The rest of them you can do on your own, okay? Now, I am going to help you with a few of these today. So look at number 2, letter A. Number 2, letter A, the instructions say reduce these fractions. So remember, that means that we need to find a number that we can divide both of these by. Okay, I want to do the factores because I know that one of you at least, is trying really hard to learn it with the factores. So let's do it. What's the factores of 4? Sama? 1, 4, and 2, right? 1 times 4, 2 times 2. What are the factores of 6, Fernanda? 1 times 6, 2 times 3. Good. So what's my greatest common factor, Keanu? 2. So we're going to divide by 2 right here. So what's my answer going to be? What's my new fraction, Scarlett? 2 over 3. Excellent. Okay, 2 over 3. How about try letter B by yourself, and I'll check it with you while I erase all this stuff off the board. Go ahead, try letter B by yourself. Okay, letter B is 3 over 6. What are my factors of 3, Kiara? Just 1 times 3. What are my factors of 6? Jayla? 1 and 6, 2 and 3. Good. What's my greatest common factor, Holly? 3. Okay, it's the biggest number that's in común. So we're going to divide by 3 here. So what's my new fraction, Sama? 1/2. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay? Okay, I want to see you be doing those divisions by yourself, okay? Try those divisions by yourself and look at number 4, letter A. Number 4, letter A. In one Bible bookstore, one children's Bible costs $9.95. How much would 17 of them cost? Okay, what do you think you do? Multiply or divide? You know what? I'm not going to even tell you today. I'm just going to help you think about it. You're going to buy one Bible for $9.95. But this person wants to buy 17. Is that going to be a bigger number than $9.95 or a smaller number? If it's going to be a bigger number, you need to multiply. And if it's going to be a smaller number, you need to divide. So go ahead and decide by yourself. Okay, but look at letter B. Mr. McGregor sold 40 bushels of potatoes. One peck sold for $1.95. Remember, how many pecks are in a bushel? 4 pecks are in a bushel. How much did all the potatoes cost? Okay, well, the very first thing we need to do is, this one's so tan raro. If one peck was going to be $1.95, you need to multiply that by 4 to get a bushel. Because remember, there are 4 pecks in a bushel, so you have to multiply this by 4. Okay? Once you get that number, you need to multiply this number by what? 40. Because there's 40 bushels. Okay? Have fun. I want to see you try it by yourself. Okay, look at number 5. Go ahead and do letter A by yourself. Do letter A by yourself. Ready? Okay, what did you get for your answer, Scarlett? 13/11, right? Okay, now we look at it, you guys, and we have to decide, is that answer perfect the way that it is? No, we have to do something. Do you see that the numerator is bigger than the denominator, right? The top number is más grande que the small number, so what do we have to do? We need to make it into a mixed number. You put this number in the inside, this number on the outside, right? How many times does 11 go into 13, Fernanda? 1. What's our remainder going to be as a fraction, Jayla? 2/11. And there is our answer. Okay, look at letter B. Go ahead and try letter B by yourself. Okay, what did you get, Kiana? 4/16, right? Okay, can we reduce that number? Well, let's decide, okay? What are my factors of 4, Holly? 1, 4, and 2, right? What are my factors of 16, Salma? 1, 16, 2, 8, and 4 times 4, right? So what's my greatest common factor, Salma? 4. So we can reduce this because we can divide it by 4, right? So go ahead. What's my new number, Kiara? 1/4. Okay, good. Then I think, you guys, that the rest of it is all up to you. Well, let's do number 9, letter A. Let's do number 9, letter A. But hey, look at number 8. Look at number 8. Look what it says. Divide and write the remainder as a fraction, reduce if necessary. Do not divide with your remainder like this. Remainder as a fraction, please. Make sure you follow instructions, okay? Okay, look at number 9, letter A. I'm going to make you do letter B by yourself, even though there's 3 of them there. So you have to change 2 of them. You have to decide which 2 you change, okay? Okay, which one are we going to change here, Kiana? We need pecs. So let's change this one, right? Let's cross it out. 16 quarts. Quarts on the bottom, pecs on the top. How many quarts are in a peck, Scarlett? 8. Are we going to multiply or divide, Fernanda? Divide, right? Because the 8 is on the bottom. What's 16 divided by 8, Holly? 2. So your answer is not 2. This is 2. And then 2 plus 2 is your answer up there. Okay? Try really hard on letter B. I want to see that you try. I don't want to see that you just said maybe not. I don't want to see that you just invent. I want to see that you tried. And then I can help you if you didn't get it right. Okay? That's it for today. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.